Party, party, wait, dun, 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 party, party, party. Oh, it looks great. Like this or like this? Oh, I'm looking like princess. So excited. Subscribe to Rock and Girls and press the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Hey guys, I'm Ankita and welcome back to my channel, and guys, Merry Christmas! Yay! So guys, as you can see that I am ready for my Christmas party and I am very excited. Yay! Party, 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 party. I'm gonna share this makeup tutorial with you guys. So let's jump into the video. Party! But first I'm gonna start with my primer. I'm taking a little bit of this. Just because of heavy eye makeup, I'm gonna start with my eyes first. Using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer for my eye base. And blend it out. Guys, I'll describe all the shades and all in the description. So today I'm using Sivanna Ultra Blush Palette. The number is 01 and I'm using this color, this orangey brown color as my transition shade. So today I'm wearing a kind of orange dress, so that's why I'm using this color for my transition. Next, I'm using this color from my Nicka K palette all over my crease. I'm using this color just because this is another color which can go with my dress. So next I'm gonna use this Maybelline gel eyeliner for my black smoky base. Very pigmented and spread this very quickly, otherwise it Next I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild single eyeshadow palette. This is in the shade Panther, which is a really very black eyeshadow. You can see that. And I think it gives my lid more smoky effect. This is very pigmented. I'll blend all the colors so that there is no harsh line and all. Next I'm gonna using my eyeliner. This is from Oriflame and guys, one thing you should remember that when you're using glitter eyeshadow, you make sure that you apply your eyeliner first, then go with this glitter, because it is very difficult to wear eyeliner after the glitter. Today I'm not doing my signature look, which is winged eyeliner. I'm just line my upper lash line. Next I'm adding some color on my lower lash line. I'm using my Kajal, which is from Nykaa. Finally, I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild glitter eyeshadow. This is in the shade Karma. This is purely black glitter. Next I'm gonna clean up all the excess fallout and all. Now I'll start my face makeup with the foundation. I'm gonna use this concealer for my problematic areas and all. Contouring my nose. Slightly on that portion. And guys, contouring this middle portion of my upper lip is a trick. I feel this trick helped me to enhance my lips shape. So yeah, that's why I use these tricks again and again. So next I'm gonna use this Makeup Revolution banana powder to set my foundation and all. eyebrows with that same Wet n Wild eyeshadow. It's very pigmented. I'm just trying to make it natural. Next, I'm using this color for my blush. The next part is highlighter, and I'm gonna use this color as my highlighter. Just slightly. This color as for my lips, I'm gonna use this MAC Twig. This is a nude shade, and I think nude lips goes well with heavy smoky eyes, so that's why I'm gonna use this lipstick today. Next, on the top of my lipstick, I'm gonna use this Miss Claire lipstick gloss. I don't like this lip color, but I really like this lip gloss, so I'm gonna use this on the top of my lipstick. So guys, I think my full face makeup is done, and I'll be back with my dress. I forgot one thing, that is lash curling and mascara. Now all is done, and I'll be back with my dress, so let's keep watching. I think this tiara make this look more gorgeous, and if you want to see more more that kind of makeup tutorial, please let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon in my next video because I am getting late. And till then, tata, bye.